All right, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Google site page. It is very easy. The first thing that you're going to do is navigate to your Google Drive. You can do that easily by clicking at the Google Apps button at the top right-hand corner, or at the very top of your screen, just typing in Google Drive and going there. To make a Google site, you're going to click on the button on the top left-hand corner that says New. And you're going to navigate and scroll all the way down to the button that says More. It won't be featured under this initial list, but if you select More and you scroll down, you can go ahead and click on a Google site. That Google site will act like a Google Slides presentation or a Google Doc. You can go ahead and click on this and delete out any text that you want and say, give it a new title. Please title it the same up here as the title of your page, however you decide to name it. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see a variety of different features for different layouts that you might potentially want to work with. And each of these different layouts will allow you to upload images, things from Drive, YouTube videos, calendars, maps, and so on, including little text boxes so that you can type in as well. Right, so the Industrial Revolution, blah, blah, and so on. When you are done, you can go ahead and publish your page by clicking on the top right-hand corner to save any of your changes. You can also click on the little person to share your slides or your site with anyone else.